What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. Guess what? We back here today. We in the garage today, but we here with another unboxing, you know what I'm saying? The homies over at the Slope Mountain Gear, they sent me over this box right here. You know what's in here. You already know what's in here. What's Slope popping right now? What they got? What's their best product right now that's popping? 180 XP chest pack. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So what we're gonna do is let's bust into this box and see. All right, I'm saying I already tried it out, you know what I'm saying? Because I couldn't wait, you know what I'm saying? They told me they was gonna send it over. I'm like, yo, I need that. So I've been waiting for it. Got it, had to try it out, you know what I'm saying? And trust me, whatever the commercials say, it kind of really is. It's pretty dope, yo. So first let's get into the, oh, hold on. Did you go to the website and get some merch yet? You thought I was gonna show you. Psych. Hit the KingJaffeJoe413.com. Get yourself some merch, you know what I'm saying? Get yourself a hoodie, a hat, some shoes. Now, we ain't got no shoes, but we got some stickers. You want a sticker? Maybe a face mask, backpack? KingJaffeJoe413.com. Let's get back to your regular scheduled program. So look what we got here. Oh, look at that, Slope pack. So what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna get rid of the box altogether. We don't even need the box, you know what I'm saying? You get in the box, you open the box, you got your Slope pack, nice. And what else do you get? Collapsible water bottle. So you know what I'm saying? You ever like got one of those metal water bottles, you drink it, and now you gotta carry this empty water bottle around? Slope has solved that problem for you. You know what I'm saying? You collapse it down, you stick it back in your bag. You know what I'm saying? Carry it in your bag full, it's still empty, throw it back in your bag, you bring it back home. You know what I'm saying? No more water bottles. Save the animals, guys. Don't be throwing those water bottles in the landfills and stuff like that. Saying, got a little quick release top. Yeah, that's a decent size, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get you somewhere, you get thirsty. Pull off, so it's quick squirt with your gloves on. I like that. I actually haven't tried this out yet, but I'm gonna be trying this. Got a care beam, so you know what I'm saying? If you don't want to put it in your pack because your pack is full, you can stick it on your side, stop it on somewhere on your bike, something like that. That's pretty dope. But let's get to this. Let's get to this. Look at this. So we got like a little tag right here, little Slope Pro chest pack. You know what I'm saying? Designed and tested. It's American-made product, guys. Right in Colorado, it's one of my favorite states, you know what I'm saying? 420 all day. But the back of it, you got this little back thing right there. Got a little bit of padding on the inside, so it's not bothering you that much. We got straps on both sides to adjust both side straps. Clip on the side to put it on. Tighten it up on the other side. Let's try this out. Let me throw this on real quick. I'm liking this, y'all. I tried it out. Y'all want to ride another day? And look at this. Sorry, adjust it to my size. We're gonna pour this over. Boom. Boom. So boom. You know what I'm saying? Feels good. You know what I'm saying? It feels like you and the pack are one. You know what I'm saying? No lie. Right there, you got here. You throw some stacks in there. You know? I'm gonna say it again. You know what I'm saying? Throw some snacks in there. Got some granola bars, a Snicker, throw those in there right there. Oh, let's not forget about the main compartment. We got the main compartment right here. Got a little bit of fur in there, a little warm, like a warm, what? Wait, a zipper on the other side? Oh, so when you out on them long rides, when it's like 50 out, and you out riding and you cold, your hands get cold, and you're like, dang, my hands is cold. Slope pack that solved that problem for us guys, you know what I'm saying? You got one of those little heating packs, you throw it in here, throw your hands in here, rub them together, get those fingers warm, you know what I'm saying? I like that. Obviously, you can store stuff in here, so you know what I'm saying? If you gotta store some stuff in there, you can put some stuff in there. Then you got this front pocket. They call it the phone pocket. Boom, flies open. Got a little thing, you put your keys here, you know what I'm saying? Someone like me, got a Ryker, you don't need to have your keys hanging from your bike, you know what I'm saying? So we throw our keys right here, boom. Actually, when I used this the other day, I have my phone in here like this. Look at that, that's a pretty big phone too. So phone fits there. This mesh right here is see-through. So you could see through the mesh a little bit. So if you get a notification, you can look at it real quick, pull your phone up, Phone doesn't flip down and fall out, so that's good. You know what I'm saying? You got your gloves on. You quick look at your phone. Got your gloves on, got a quick look, boom, check out your phone, boom, easy. Pull it back up, slap it down, be back on your way. You know what I'm saying? Some of you might even be bold and be on the road riding, like, take a look at it. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom. Oh, you gotta take it, boom. So that's convenient. But the other day I used this pack, and what I did is I actually put my charging pack that I usually plug in for my helmet. I put that inside here as well with my phone. So there's definitely enough room for that. Let's go back in here. I like playing with that zipper. You got a couple pockets right here. Those are nice. Cigars, cigarettes, vape, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you want to put in there. You put your earrings in there if you want. Cool. This pocket here, I'm gonna fill it up with some stuff. Let's see what we got. Hold on, give me a second. I grabbed some tools. I'm in the garage. So we got a water bottle. Let's go from this side with the water bottle. Put the water bottle in there. We got 3 little cases, you know what I'm saying? You got a little something there. I don't know what that is. I haven't even tried if these things fit in here. This is my first time putting something in here. I used it the other day and I only used the phone part. I think that might be one too many. I think that might be one too many there, but nah. We don't want to break the zipper though. That's in there. That's in there. You know what I'm saying? It's a little puffy because I got a lot of stuff in there. You're probably not gonna be putting that much stuff in there, but it's a little puffy. But look it, I lean over, it stays with me. You know what I'm saying? It's not flopping around. You know what I'm saying? You taking turns, staying in the front. Sling bag sometimes, they sling to the side. They call sling bag, they sling. You know what I'm saying? Taking them turns, you know me, I'm hitting those, I'm taking those, burning out. This right here, locked in. So, would I recommend this product? At first look, I'm gonna say yes. I'm gonna give you guys a couple months of review time. I'm gonna ride with it, you know what I'm saying? Put it through its paces, let the bugs smack onto it, you know what I'm saying? I'd like, oh, it warms hands, but do bugs stick to it? We gonna find out, you know what I'm saying? Cause y'all know I be doing 110 on the freeway. We don't want no bugs sticking in here, you know what I'm saying? I don't want no bug guts. So I'm gonna put it through the testing, and what are we gonna do? 90 day, 3-month test. Slope bag, watch for the video, coming soon. Slope bag 90-day review. All right, guys, so if you think you want one of these bags, y'all can hit up Slope. They on Instagram, I think they on Facebook. You might as well go to slopemountaingear.com and check them out. You know what I'm saying? And get yourself one. It's a reasonably priced bag, I would say, for what it does. Oh, I still got a water bottle in there. Look at that. So much room, you forget you got stuff in there. All right, guys, so check you the next one. Peace.